Are you tired of pesky pests invading your home? Ready to try something natural and inexpensive? Look no further than baking soda and vinegar. This video will show you how to quickly and safely eliminate pests using these two ingredients. From ants to rats, get an insider's look at the most effective methods to banish those critters forever. Plus, find out which ingredients work best to save time and money. Stop guessing and start watching now. Take control of your home today. Here is the best ways to eliminate pests using baking soda and vinegar. Welcome to The Guardian's Choice. Number 1. Ants. Ants are a common household pest and can become a nuisance if they invade your home. Thankfully, there are easy ways to get rid of ants without resorting to toxic chemicals. You can mix baking soda and vinegar to create an effective homemade ant killer that is inexpensive and non-toxic. Not only will this solution help get rid of existing ants, but it will also deter them from coming back. When you combine baking soda with white vinegar or apple cider vinegar, you create an acidic solution that is lethal to pests like ants when ingested. Sprinkling the mixture in areas where you have seen ant activity, and this will target the problem directly at its source. The first step is to locate where the ant infestation is occurring. Ant trails often lead from their nest to food sources such as kitchen counters or pantry shelves. Once the source is located, it's time to mix up a simple pest-killing solution with baking soda and vinegar. The mixture should be combined in equal parts and sprinkled over affected areas like pathways or entryways that ants use to access your home or garden. The acidic nature of vinegar combined with the alkaline pH level of baking soda will work together to create an environment that's not conducive to ant survival. Number 2. Cockroaches. Cockroaches are a persistent pest problem that can be difficult to eliminate. These insects, which thrive in areas with access to food and water, often reproduce quickly and spread disease. Fortunately, there are natural ways to eliminate them without harsh chemicals like baking soda and vinegar. Baking soda and vinegar are two effective DIY solutions that can help eliminate cockroaches quickly and safely. Baking soda eliminates cockroaches because it acts as a desiccant or drying agent. When it comes into contact with the roach's exoskeleton, it absorbs the moisture from their bodies and causes them to dehydrate until they die. Vinegar is also excellent at killing cockroaches. When mixed with water at a ratio of 1:1 or 2:1 respectively, it creates an acidic spray that can penetrate their shells and suffocate them. These staples make a formidable pest killer that can eliminate these critters in minutes. Number 3. Rats. Rats are one of the most common pest problems that homeowners face. Not only do they cause property damage, but they also carry many diseases. Killing rats with baking soda and vinegar can be an effective and safe way to rid your home of these pesky pests. Baking soda is toxic for rats when ingested, causing dehydration and death within hours after consumption. It is highly toxic for rats, while vinegar can be used as a repellent to keep them away from your yard or home. With the right technique, using baking soda and vinegar can be an effective and cost-efficient way to get rid of rats in your house and yard. This mixture is an easy solution that anyone can use. Start by combining equal parts of baking soda and vinegar into a spray bottle. Shake the bottle well to combine the ingredients thoroughly. Spray this mixture liberally around areas where rats have been spotted, such as under sinks or behind appliances. This solution works because it acts like a poison when it comes in contact with the rodents, causing them to die from dehydration within 24 hours of contact. Reapply the solution every few days until all signs of rat activity cease completely. Number 4. Bed bugs. Bed bugs are one of the most annoying pests in a home. The tiny insects can hide in cracks and crevices, making them difficult to find and eliminate. Many pest control solutions on the market contain chemicals that may be dangerous for people and pets, but there are natural methods like baking soda and vinegar that can help kill bed bugs. Baking soda is a desiccant, implying that it absorbs moisture from the air around it, while vinegar is acidic enough to create an environment where bed bugs cannot survive. By combining these two ingredients, you can safely target your bed bug problem without resorting to harsh chemicals or expensive treatments. This combination has proven to be effective in killing bed bugs and other pests while being safe for people and pets. It's crucial to understand how this mixture works so it may work in the most efficient way possible. The first step when using baking soda and vinegar is to mix 1 part white distilled vinegar with 2 parts baking soda in a spray bottle. Shake up the solution until all ingredients dissolve together. Then apply directly onto bedding or any areas where bugs may congregate. It will eliminate them in a few minutes. Number 5. Ticks and fleas. Ticks and fleas are some of the most common pests, and their bites can cause serious health problems. Unfortunately, they're not always easy to exterminate. If you're looking for a safe and natural way to rid your home or yard of these pests, baking soda and vinegar may be the solution. Both ingredients are widely available at grocery stores and supply shops, making them an excellent choice for DIY pest control. Baking soda is an effective desiccant that dries out insects like ticks and fleas when applied directly to their bodies. Vinegar is a natural repellent that can keep them from returning once they have been removed from the area. These ingredients create a powerful solution for killing unwanted pests with little effort or expense. If you're wondering how to eliminate ticks and fleas with baking soda and vinegar mixture, here's what you need to do. First, mix equal parts of baking soda and white vinegar in a bowl or spray bottle. Next, shake thoroughly and sprinkle or spray the liquid onto affected areas such as patios, driveways, or walkways where there are signs of pest activity. The acidity in the solution will dry out their exoskeleton, causing them to die off quickly. Number 6. Mosquitoes. Mosquitoes are one of the most annoying and persistent pests, but they can also be one of the easiest to eliminate. Fortunately, you may not need to use harsh chemicals or call an exterminator to eradicate them from your home. Baking soda and vinegar mixture is a powerful combination for killing mosquitoes and other crawling insects. The two substances work together to create an effective solution that is safe for you and your family and affordable on any budget. Baking soda creates a dry environment that makes it difficult for mosquitoes to survive, while vinegar is a natural insecticide that kills any bugs that come into contact with it. Together, these two ingredients create an effective barrier against mosquitoes without posing any health risks or harming the environment. To use them as an insecticide, mix 2 tablespoons of baking soda with 1 cup of white distilled vinegar. Then pour this mixture into a spray bottle. Shake and spray directly onto areas where you've seen mosquito activity or larvae growth. It will exterminate them in a few minutes. Number 7. Spiders. Spiders are one of the most common pests found in homes and can be a nuisance to homeowners. While it may seem like spiders are hard to eliminate, there is an easy way to control their population with just 2 household items: baking soda and vinegar. Not only is this method safe for people and pets, but it also doesn't require any special equipment or chemicals. Here's how you can use baking soda and vinegar to kill spiders effectively. Baking soda has mild alkaline properties that make it toxic for insects when ingested, while vinegar keeps them from returning. To effectively use this mixture against spiders, mix equal parts of baking soda and vinegar, then sprinkle some along areas where they frequent, such as window sills or door frames. Keep away from wet areas because the powder will quickly break down in moisture. I hope you have enjoyed this video. If you have, please subscribe to The Guardian's Choice, and don't forget to give this video the thumbs up. Thanks for watching and bye for now.